Imagine being stuck in a blizzard with one of the world's most iconic rock stars. This was the reality for a few unsuspecting fans in 1975. David Bowie, amidst his Ziggy Stardust fame, found himself stranded in a remote Scottish village after his tour bus broke down during a severe snowstorm. With no other option, Bowie and his entourage sought refuge in a small local pub. As the snow piled up outside, Bowie, ever the showman, decided to give an impromptu performance. The intimate, unplanned gig became a legendary moment for the handful of lucky patrons. They witnessed a raw and unfiltered side of the rock legend, a rare glimpse behind the glittering persona, forever cherishing the night Bowie turned a disaster into an unforgettable memory.